What's up, guys? Today I got the replacement flashlight that got burned up, so figured I'd make a video and explain to you guys, if you're buying this flashlight, this particular one from the seller that I listed in my video, if I listed him, you're gonna see a battery like this. This is a 26650 and it's wired in parallel. So I don't really like that, because if we look here at the voltmeter, and hopefully that you can see, but let me grab the leads. If we put, this came right out of the box, by the way. So if we touch positive to positive and negative to negative, you'll see that it is reading 3.91 volts. And it's not fully charged or anything, but the important part of this is, if you use, as there's other videos on the on YouTube videos that use single 26650s, if you use them in series, you will burn this light up like the other one. So you're stuck using this battery pack that's wired in parallel. If you put single cells in, that's series. So you're stuck using the USB port on here to charge this. And again, in my other videos, I state it's not really a good idea to charge via USB. You're better off buying a charger. And this, you're not going to be able to charge. Okay. Now, Super Prinz or whatever his last name is, I do agree with him. This is a safer bet, you know, to go with, but it also screws you as a consumer, because now you're going to need to know how to, you know, solder in parallel. You're gonna have to, you know, wrap them. You're gonna have to put the insulator on, the whole 9 yards. And then you're stuck again, you know, charging via USB, and that's gonna wear out. If you do a YouTube, you're gonna see that wears out, and it's not the best way to do it. So do I recommend something like that? No. Is Super right about he doesn't see a protection circuit in this flashlight particular? Yes, he is, very much so. There is no protection circuit that he's seen, and it seems to me like he knows quite a bit more about the circuitry than I do. And with that said, you know, I'm just trying to help you guys make an informed decision on buying these. I did discuss with Super, I would like to know the flashlights like this. They look exactly like this. It's a different driver inside, which means it has a different board. I'd like to get one, take it apart, and see if it has a protection circuit in it, being it could use single 26650s in series, which you know, equals out to 7.4 volts. So it could take double the voltage than what this pack is putting out, because this pack at full capacity is only going to be 3.7. This one, yeah, it has 3.7 right there. So that's all this pack is going to give you, like one single 26650. So just be aware of that when you're buying on Amazon. There is a couple reviews, but there's a lot of these flashlights. So there's one person that said, you know, does it take the single 26650s, or does it take the dumb heat shrunk big battery like this?